This section is about approximating integration. So for this example, I want to integrate from 1 to 4 sine of radical x dx. And we want to use all three rules. A, we use trapezoidal. B, we use midpoint. And C, we use the Simpson's rule. So for this section is quite easy because all you have to do is use the formula that's given to you. So the first one we want to use is trapezoidal, which is this one right here. And then notice that delta x is b minus a divided by n. You see for trapezoidal, we have the 2 here, 2 for all of these terms, except for the first one and the last one. So let's begin. You can see that f of x is sine square root of x. Delta x is going to be b minus a over n. In this case is 4 minus 1 divided by 6, which is 1/2. 3, 6, and then we reduce it, so it's 1/2. So for T6, T stands for trapezoidal. So T6, I have 1 over 2 times 2. See right here, that 2. Okay. So I have 1/2 times 2. And then we plug it in. F of 1 plus 2. F of 1.5 plus 2. F of 2. So you can see right here for trapezoidal, xi is going to be a plus I delta x. So a in our case is 1. Delta x is 1/2. So that's why we have 1.5 here. So 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 times 0.5. So that's why we have 1.5. And we do the same thing for f of 2, f of 3, and so on. What I have is 2f of 2.5 plus 2 f of 3 plus 2 f of 3.5 plus the last one, we don't need to time 2, so it's just f of 4. And then we use a calculator. You're going to get 2.87308.5. Now, the midpoint. So for midpoint, you just have to multiply by delta x. So delta x is 1/2. And xi bar is going to be the midpoint. So that's why I have xi minus 1 plus xi divided by 2. So it's going to be the midpoint of 2 points. So we have delta x, which is 1/2. And then we have f of 1.25. Right? So it's a midpoint plus f 1.75. Plus f 2.25 plus f of 2.75 plus f of 3.25 plus f of 3.75. Now, of course, when you plug it in here, you have to use a calculator. We ended up with 2.884712. Last one, Simpson's rule. So for Simpson's rule, we have delta x divided by 3. And then you see that the first one is just f of x naught. And then you have 4 for x1. You have 2 for x2, and it's keep alternating 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2. And then we have 4. And then the last one is just the f of xn. And in this case, for Simpsons, it has to be even. So we have it. We have 6, which is an even number. So I have 1 over 2, which is delta x times 3. So delta x divided by 3. And then I have f of 1 plus 4. F of 1.5. And then we go back to 2. F of 2. And then we go 4. F of 2.5. And then we go back to 2. F of 3. And we go to 4. F of 3.5. And then the last one, just f of 4. And then once again, you use a calculator, you're going to end up with, all of these are approximation, 2.880721. And there we have it.